is the inventory spreadsheet that needs to be counted and completed to be uploaded before we open on Tuesday morning. I just wanted to quickly review the process here so that you guys could get started on this while Darlene and I are traveling Monday during the day. So, for example, let's talk about Apoquel 3.6 milligram tablets. The information that's required here is quantity with the serials or lot number, depending on the manufacturer, it might be called one of the two, as well as the expiry date. It's important that when we're putting in the expiry date that we type out the full year versus the abbreviated year, or it won't capture correctly. Let's say, for example, we have two bottles of Apoquel 3.6 milligrams and they have different serials and lot numbers. What you're going to do is you're going to highlight this line all the way across. You're going to copy, right click, copy that. You're going to come down here and you're going to insert row below. And then you're going to paste. That's actually copied it one more row below that. Let's undo that just to make sure that we're in the right place here. So here, let's go insert one row above and let's paste our 3.6 milligram Apoquel tablet. Let's make sure that we're keeping track of tablets versus chews. Let's put our quantity here. These are sold by the each if it says tablet. So if you have 10 in one bottle with one serial number and expiry date, and then you have a full bottle with a different serial number and expiry date, we have duplicate lines. The other thing to keep an eye out for is this is 30 mils. So this would indicate that this is a single bottle of 30 mils. Same thing with the Rumicam. Vetmedin is a capsule. The Thyrotabs are by tablet. So even if you sell them by a bottle, we're going to calculate how many tablets we have. If you guys have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to let me know. The yellow section is our most important section to begin with. If we move and we see the green section, JD has gone ahead and put a quantity of 0 for the items that we don't normally carry on the shelf. The ones that are left blank, we should ideally as well put in the quantity. If we have more than one lot or serial number with expiry date, we're going to add those as well by copying and creating a new line. JD has also gone in and done the same thing for the over-the-counter items. Any headway that you guys can make on the green and yellow sections in this spreadsheet prior to our arrival would be amazing. If you guys are doing well and getting ahead, we will look at the medical supply inventory, and this medical supply inventory will be counted, for example, by the full box. IV catheters. If we have 1.5 boxes, we're going to count it as one box because the half box is no longer sellable. However, I would like to highlight the suture material in that if we have a 36 pack, if we can add a note we have one box, put one box here, and if we could add notes next to suture packs as to how many individuals we have on top of the single box of 36, that will just help us with inventory value. I hope this little video helped.